OptinMonster 5.0. So I got this email from Thomas at OptinMonster, Thomas Griffin, who is the co-founder and president of OptinMonster, and they have just released 5.0. I think I got this the 18th and 19th, maybe. I can't remember now. It was a couple of days ago. And basically, we're going to take a look at the new drag and drop editor. So let's jump in. Let's move me down to the corner here. And let's jump into this email. Hey, Michael. After months of hard work, we're incredibly excited to announce the official launch of OptinMonster 5.0. New and improved display rules, new drag and drop campaign editor, and complete campaign customization. Quickly and easily build unique campaigns from scratch without any code. Just log into your account. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to log into my account in OptinMonster right now, and we're going to check that out and see what that looks like. It says, I'd like to personally thank you helping us get to where we are today. You're very, very welcome, Thomas. Right, let's check this out. Here we go. Right, let's create a campaign. What I'm going to do... there we go. You can check out our official announcement. Is this the same as the blog post, do you reckon? As the email? No, there's a bit of a list here. That's kind of cool. So I'll put that in a link below, announcing OptinMonster 5.0. Drag and drop, custom buttons, icons, videos, so much more. Improved yes-no success views. That's kind of cool. All right, let's go and jump into one of these. Actually, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up all of my opt-ins. And let's choose another one. Troubleshooting. Let's use this one. Funnel shooting flowchart. Troubleshoot your funnel flowchart. All right. Create a campaign. Let's start from scratch. And I think what I like inline personally. I really like inline campaigns. How do I create a new campaign? Is it just pop-ups?
Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll introduce you to our new drag and drop builder. You may have noticed some changes in your OptinMonster dashboard. That's because it's never been easier to create completely customized opt-in forms for your website.
So is it on canvas mode, is it? Canvas, here we go. Inline, canvas. All right, great. Name your campaign. SYS after post. Can't remember what category this loads on now. Building funnels. So you can get a little insight into my taxonomy there. Sell your service. Start building. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to check this out. Click to start adding column blocks. Holy cow. That's very cool. All right. Let's put you in there. Ah, it's like basically a drag and drop builder. This is outstanding. Great work, OptinMonster. Let's put an image here. And I should have a bunch of images. Here we go. I'll use this one. And then image alt text. You having a laugh? Funnel troubleshooting. A link to the image. That's cool. Border radius. No, I don't want any of that. Styling, background colors. This is absolutely brilliant. Let's now... countdown timers. OptinMonster, what are you doing to me? I'm now going to have to redesign all of my things, which is good. I'm happy with that. That's good. Okay, let's have some opt-in fields. Name, email, phone number. I do not want those. I just want privacy text. Yeah, we promised not to email for Sam, and a submit button. Sweet. Okay. We never send spam. Unsubscribe at any time. Privacy checkbox. No, I'm not going to have that. And I'm going to make this slightly smaller. Okay, for some reason that's... Why isn't that working? Privacy text. Edit. 12. There we go. It's because I was doing something stupid. Right. Oh man, this is fantastic. Let's go back to our button. And this is all stuff that we could do anyway, but this is just... It just looks... The big thing that I used to hate about OptinMonster is I couldn't style it. So any of our forms we use like gravity forms some of the times for the opt-in forms, but if I can just drop in a webinar, I just create a blank webinar form and just have that on all of our webinar pages, that's going to be awesome. Okay, sign up. Download. I use Roboto usually. I can do... Oh man, this is awesome. Box shadow, border color, border style, border radius. Form action, go to view, redirect to URL. Close the campaign, reload the page. Go to a view, the success view. I don't know what that is. Can I create new... success. So I can have a new opt-in form just reappear. Now, like I said, like I've said before, I personally prefer to go to a thank you page because I think the conversions work better. Let's check some of this stuff out. Background, solid. I want it transparent. I want it... Okay, it'd be nice if I could change the background color. Why are you clicking off? To what I use. So, hex 04A777. Cool. Font color is going to be white. Font size, let's have you at not quite 41 maybe. Let's have you at 28. Font weight, have you at 500, yeah, 1 as a line spacing, that's fine. Wow, this is really interesting. Okay, obviously I don't want to just kind of go through this. Let's say that I'm happy with this and I go, all right, cool. Maybe if I'm just going to add some quick load of text. Blocks, it appears, elements, text. Let's drag you up here. Awesome. Our funnel chart sent to your email. This is really good. I'm going to center that. Let's say I was happy with this, right? And I then go, okay, of this column. Because I could be here for ages. Got icons here, buttons, yes, no. I want to play around with some of this stuff later. I'm going to save that. And it looks like I can create yes or no, which is to say, do you want to download this? And I just click yes, and then I click no, and it goes through to the opt-in. I actually prefer just using the opt-in. Now, if I save this, inline settings, lock content below, no. Display settings, cookie duration, yeah. Cross domain, no. Powered by link, I'm going to turn you off. Campaign namespace. Oh, it's the CSS. What's this? Oh, so it's like a background. Like a whole background layer first. Over border color. Let's turn you off. Border width. Box shadow. So this is like the whole opt-in, I think. I'm going to have to play around with this, I think, before I can kind of get around to it. And then, here we go. Here's the display rules. So I can add new rule sets. I can say current path. Current URL path contains what was the tag again? Because the tag also in building funnels in my case is the URL keyword that we use. So basically, if the URL contains the word building funnels, then show the campaign opt-in. That's very cool. We could start doing some really clever stuff with this. This is brilliant. Next step. Summary, if it contains one, then show the opt-in form. Cool, let's save that. And it's got inbuilt analytics for the actual... of course, I need to connect it to... Now you're testing me. Here we go. Cool, let's close that then. Integrations. I want to obviously connect it to Active Campaign. And then I can see all my lists. Nice. This actually, I think, just goes straight to the newsletter. But I can add tags. I can. Can assign it to a form if I need to. No, see, this is why I like OptinMonster and why I really like Active Campaign, because there's an enormous amount of flexibility over what it is you want. Now, this obviously doesn't look brilliant. It would probably convert, but it doesn't look great. But I'm going to go away and kind of create a few of these. If I hit publish, so that's pause, that's fine. Copy and paste the following just to embed in your sidebar where you would like your sidebar campaign. That's fine. Let's click save. Let's have a look at some of the other ones. I wonder if the analytics have changed on any of these other ones. Let's take this one here. No, okay, so this is still the same. So the previous stuff is still the same. That's fine. I've kind of been wondering about whether how analytics work on OptinMonster. It looks like they've done a little bit here to kind of change it. So it's a legacy campaign with a little clock next to it. And if I scroll down, then I should see my new one. Here it is. That's cool. All right, I like that. But if I look at my actual analytics, yes, it still does that. That's kind of good. Wow, even in the last 30 days, that one has one. I am surprised about that. Let's look at this analytics. 6% conversion rate on this particular one. Sales page checklist in line. This is telling me where it's converting the most, which I really like. Again, this is why OptinMonster. This is a fantastic example of doing one thing and doing one thing extremely well. This is why I'm a huge fan of OptinMonster. So yeah. Cool. So that's OptinMonster 5.0. I'm a massive fan of the way that they've built that that drag and drop builder. It's a long time coming. I know that they've had a couple of their competitors do this. So now I'm really happy to see them do that, because it's going to give us a lot more flexibility over how we design and how we create our opt-ins. I'm very, very happy with that. This is, of course, a non-affiliate review, but full disclosure, the link that I put down below will be my affiliate link. So this is, I just want to give a full disclosure, but this is not like a sales review, that kind of thing. I haven't been paid to do this, but I do have an affiliate link below. But yeah, I'm really happy with what OptinMonster is doing here, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of play around with this a bit more. In the meantime, guys, if there's any other tools that you've been using, if you've used OptinMonster and you've just discovered 5.0, let me know in the comments below, and I will speak to you guys some other time. Thanks very much. Keep building those funnels.